If you want to make money on TikTok and you want to grow your TikTok account, but you don't want to show your face, then you need to watch today's video because I'll be showing you 3 methods where you can start making money on TikTok without showing your face. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. The number one problem that my TikTok community faces, and also the most frequent asked question, is how do I create TikTok contents without showing my face? About 80% of my TikTok community as well as my students often complain that they do not want to show their face, probably because due to they are camera shy or they are just not ready to show their face to the public. And of course, some of them is due to their job nature, they are not supposed to show their face. So the number one most frequently asked question in my TikTok community is that how to grow a TikTok faceless account. And because of this high demand question, I have done a lot of research on this, and I managed to find 3 methods where you can monetize your TikTok account at the same time you do not need to show your face. Plus, the result is spectacular. Especially there's one account that I found and it's making $900 per day without showing face and promoting TikTok Shop affiliate products. The very first method that is highly recommended is to use AI generated videos.
Stop taking sea moss. You probably think it contains 92 of 102 vital minerals. You were probably told it helps heal the body inside and out. And you might even think it was the favorite of Dr. Sebi himself. But what if I told you all of this is completely true? Okay, I got you, but let's just be honest. That sea moss in a jar literally tastes like boogers, and the market has been flooded with fake pool-grown sea moss that can be poisonous to your body. This daily capsule contains the purest form of real Irish sea moss. It also has black seed oil to help grow longer and thicker hair, ashwagandha to reduce stress, and burdock root for a full-body detox and aiding weight loss. This is multi-mineral, the highest-rated natural supplement, and you can purchase yours from the TikTok shop below.
So this TikTok account that I discovered is purely promoting TikTok Shop affiliate products, and specifically in the health niche, which is mostly supplements. The whole account is purely faceless account, and they use AI generated video. The whole video is AI generated, which includes the video, it's all animation, as well as the voice is also AI generated. But the thing is, the voice is very human-like and it don't sound robotic at all. Do stay on, I will be sharing with you some of the tools that you can use to generate the same video. This is also the same account that I mentioned that is generating $900 per day as a TikTok Shop affiliate creator. And looking at the analytics, this faceless TikTok account has already made $28,000 in the past 30 days. This account is pretty new. It started posting video just about 5 months ago, and they have less than 20 videos. The amazing thing about this TikTok account is that every single video is viral. So one thing that they did right is the video is very engaging, and also they utilize hook in every single of their video. Another thing that I noticed is that the video clips used are very eye-catching because most of the animations are very dramatic. All of their videos is less than a minute and they are able to capture audience attention. So this is the secret. If you want to succeed in faceless TikTok account, you need to have all these elements. When it comes to hook, it can be text, it can be the voice, and the hook can also be visual, which are the AI generated images that they use. Now let me share with you how you can recreate the AI generated TikTok contents. The first thing you need to do is to come up with a script, and with that, the AI tool that you can use is ChatGPT. If you are familiar with ChatGPT, you need to use different prompts and fine-tune your script to make it more suitable for TikTok contents. Once you get the video script done, then you need to come up with video clips. So the good thing about using AI generated contents is that you do not need to film the content, and you just need to get it from InVideo. So InVideo is another AI tool whereby it will help to convert the text to video. So you just need to copy the script that you've gotten from ChatGPT and then convert it into video on InVideo. And lastly, you need to have a realistic AI voice. The best one that I've come across so far would be 11labs.io because the AI voice is very realistic and very human-like. I feel that this is very important because the TikTok content will come out to be more genuine and more realistic.
Dry, itchy skin can be a nuisance, especially when caused by frequent exposure to air conditioning or the use of...
Please note that if you want to use these AI tools for your TikTok faceless account to grow, it is more advisable for you to subscribe to the AI tools. I understand that these AI tools offer free trial, but if you want to monetize your TikTok account, then it is advisable for you to upgrade to the Pro version. Do let me know in the comments if you want to have an in-depth tutorial on how you can create a faceless TikTok video using these 3 tools. Leave a comment, AI video tutorial, and I will make an in-depth video on this topic. The second method on how you can start making money on TikTok without showing your face is by creating product demonstration video and utilizing the text-to-speech feature on TikTok. I use this method very frequently for my TikTok shop affiliate product videos, and to my surprise, a lot of the time it performs better than the video with me talking inside. These are my TikTok videos that has generated me a lot of sales without me showing my face. The first one is this spray mop.
Show me something that TikTok overhyped but actually got it right. Baby, for me, it's this. I use it like there's no tomorrow.
I just demonstrate the product which I have received as a sample and use the audio function. Same goes to this selfie tripod.
Not stable. Not tall enough. UNZNT 40 forward.
I did not speak throughout the whole video. I just purely used the text-to-speech feature, which I found it on either TikTok app.
Soothing and relaxing.
Soothing and relaxing.
Soothing and relaxing.
Or CapCut app.
TikTok Shop Finds Office Edition. TikTok Shop Finds.
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 So if you want a more variety of the AI voice for your video, then you can go to CapCut because there are more varieties, different style and tone of the voices. As you can see, the performance of these 2 videos is pretty good. Even TikTok Shop rated my video as a very good performance video. I love using this product demo method because sometimes I may not feel like speaking, and also the items that is small enough, I'm able to just use my hand to demonstrate, and the video performed pretty good as well. So my advice is, if you really are camera shy and you just want to start experimenting with TikTok Shop affiliate, then you may do this second method, which is the product demo with text-to-speech, and slowly you can add on your face as well if you are okay with that. You do not need to speak, but you just need to show your face while you are demonstrating, just like this video of mine whereby I do the product demonstration as well as showing my face in certain clips of the video. The third method is not facing camera method. There are a few ways where you can do this method. The first one is you can perform whatever demonstration you want on your video without facing the camera. It's either your back is facing the camera or you are just doing your daily work without facing the camera. Here is a very good example video that you can model after. Looking at this TikTok account, it is also a faceless TikTok account, but this TikTok creator uses different methods that I have mentioned, especially the second and the third method. And this TikTok account is also a TikTok Shop affiliate creator account. Another way that I see, which is very common on TikTok, is by covering the face with the phone. This is commonly used with a mirror in front. As a faceless TikTok account, this account seems to be doing very well. As you can see the analytics here, this account is earning about $47 to about $70 per video GPM. So this video GPM is the video GMV per milli, which represents the GMV generated per 1,000 short video views. In short, GMV is the sales revenue. Okay, so let's take this product video for example. Based on this video views of 108,000 divided by 1,000, you get 108. So based on 108, we times this with the video GPM. So the video GPM, let's say on average is about $50. From 108, we can times 50 and it comes up to be 5,400. This is the total amount of revenue generated from every 1,000 views for this TikTok account. So this method of calculation is only applicable to TikTok Shop product videos. These three methods work very well if you want to create a TikTok faceless account. To ensure the success of this faceless TikTok account and start making money on TikTok, you can implement some keyword research as well as video strategies. I have a 2-hour TikTok training that you can learn how to create video that sells. I will leave the link up here as well as down in the description box below. Another way to join my free training is by going to my website at www.meung.co/TikTok. If you have any questions regarding today's video, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!